Hi dear Sagittarius, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind these are general readings. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. And this is a reading from 21st of September till the end of September. Okay, let's start. Your partner's current energy right now is Sagittarius. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is Two of Cups. Sagittarius, right now your partner is feeling some kind of soulmate energy or soulful love, or might be they are doing something really beautiful in their life that they feel like is very connected to their heart, very connected and very deep with their heart, okay, deeply in their heart. Let me clarify, might be they are feeling this kind of energy for you, but beautiful energy of love is there, beautiful energy of soulmate is there. Let me clarify the Two of Cups. I feel like your partner is now feeling in sync with you, with your energy as well. Let me clarify. Knight of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords, and the Nine of Swords. I feel like your partner is really very slow to approach you. They are taking like baby steps, literally baby step, half of the baby steps you can say, to reach towards you, or to reach towards something that is very close to their heart. Now they are being very open and honest with themselves, very clear in their intentions, what they want in their life, because they have been in this anxious state and depressing state of mind from a very long period of time. Now they are able to come out of this. Now they are very clear. Now they are very honest with themselves, and this, after getting this clarity, I feel like this person is feeling specially close to you, feeling specially close to this connection with you, the relationship with you. This is their current energy. They are feeling exceptionally close to you because now they are clear, now their intentions are clear, what they want. That's why they are feeling like, yeah, they have a soulful and a connection with you, energy with you. Okay, let's see what's your current energy, Sagittarius. Your current energy right now is Page of Swords. I feel like you are watching over this person, or you are searching something online. Might be a partner, might be you are just, spying on this person. Spying doesn't always mean a negative thing. It means that you're looking what they are doing, where they are going, what they are up to, and how they are managing everything without you, or how they are managing everything after, before, you know, after this fight or after this separation, if you guys are in separation right now. So let me clarify the Page of Swords, and it is also blunt energy. You are ready to cut out everybody and everyone who is coming towards you, coming towards your way. And if you are feeling like you are not liking this person, or you are not liking this energy, you are straight away going to cut the energy from yourself, from your circle or our environment. That's what you are doing. Let me clarify the Page of Swords. Let me clarify the Page of Swords. Okay, Nine of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles and the Lovers. Could be dealing with the Gemini here. Definitely you are cutting out all the negative and toxic people from your environment. You are shifting your focus on your business, on your money, on your job, on your healing. So whatever you are doing, you are just shifting your focus on them, on the business aspect, on the money aspect of your life, because you're feeling like, I just don't want a lusty kind of connection in my life, or a connection where I am used physically, or I am just using the another person physically. It is kind of, you are cutting down the relationship where you are feeling not worthy of having the connection, okay, and just shifting your focus on the money part, the business part, your looks, your job, everything about you, your financial independence. This is what you are right now up to. Cool, got it. Okay, now let's see what your person feels for you, Sajis. Their feelings for you. Very intelligent energy right now that you are carrying, but beware of hurting others in this, you know, beware of hurting others. Be mindful of what you say or what you do. Feelings for you, Six of Cups. This person right now is missing you very much, and they have, see, I told you their energy is of Two of Cups, so they are missing you and they are feeling soulful kind of connection with you. This person is living in the past with you, nostalgia. They are having nostalgia, severe nostalgia. They are, I feel like they are missing the past, they are missing your energy, they are missing your love, missing your fragrance. This person right now is missing heavily, missing you very very heavily, okay? And they are just trying to relive the memories that you guys made in the past, that make them really happy. They feel like you were the one that made them really happy, and you are the real happiness. This is the kind of feeling that they are carrying for you right now. Let me clarify the Six of Cups. It is like the past is bringing them happiness. They are not happy in the present. The past is bringing them happiness, okay? Two of Cups, Two of Pentacles, Two of Swords. My God, this person is definitely in love with you, and they feel like they feel like you are their soulmate, but they are constantly juggling. They are not sure whether to reach you or not, whether to talk to you or not, because they are on the crossroads regarding this particular connection with you. This person is on the crossroads. See, there are three twos, two and two. Definitely conflicted, definitely disturbed, definitely confused, but still they have this energy of, you are my soulmate, Sagittarius. Sagittarius is my soulmate. I will just wait for the right time, might be, to connect with Sagittarius, but right now I am not able to understand how to approach you, how to approach the Sagittarius, how to approach the energy, okay? This is the thing. Sorry. So right now this person is very very confused, very very stressed. They are constantly juggling between how to approach how to approach you or how not to approach you. I mean, how to being silent and how to, you know, reach you. I mean, this is a confusing energy. I myself is being very very confused now how to explain these cards. I hope you got it right. But definitely this is the energy of soulmate, and they are ready to come towards you, but they are struggling, juggling, when to come, how to come, okay? And they are in the crossroads, whether you are going to talk to them again or not, whether you are going to give this connection a second chance or not. This is the thing. I just got cold, I think. My God. Okay, so let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see what this person wants from you. Ace of Cups, brand new beginning in love. This person wants love from you. All they want is love from you, a brand new beginning in love with you, and they want to have overflowing emotions with you, overflowing love kind of emotions with you. This is not lusty kind of energy that they want from you. This is love kind of energy. Love, concern, care about each other, okay? This is beautiful energy of love that they want from you. Having a restart, reconnection, and pure angelic love. This is what they want from you. Let me clarify the Ace of Cups as what they want from you. Oh God. Page of Cups and the Knight of Wands and the Five of Cups. My God. They are developing new feelings for you, okay? So they want to have new feelings from your side as well, okay? They want you to be passionate about this connection, because they are feeling like they are lost without you, completely lost without you, regretting what they did with you, grieving your loss, and they are in constant pain right now. This person is in constant pain right now. They are developing new feelings for you, new love feelings for you, feeling very very passionate about you. I'm not seeing any kind of commitment here as of now, but yes, this person is feeling deeply passionate about you, and they are developing beautiful love feelings for you, and they are getting this vibes of, I am lost without you, I can't do anything without you, and I just don't know where to go. I just don't know how to deal with this loss. Life without you sucks. It is the feeling that they are right now getting, and that's why because they are having these kind of emotions right now. This person wants to have a brand new beginning from your side in this connection, love connection, in this love scenario. They want to, just they don't want to explore love with you again. They want to, love you, and they want to get back love from you. My God, I'm so confused. Okay. So let's see what is the potential outcome for you till the end of September. They want love from you. All they want is love from you. They are being very, very nostalgic about you and missing you like hell, missing your company, missing your fragrance, everything about you. And now let's see what is coming towards you by the end of September. Oh, I can't. Three of Swords. I feel like you're going to break their heart. If this is your energy, this is Sagittarius. If this is your energy throughout the reading, and this is you who wants them back and who loves them, who are missing them, I feel like you're going to get a Three of Swords. I mean, there will be a heartbreak. There will be a news. Might be they are not going to talk to you. Might be they are not going to say yes to you. Or it might be vice versa as well. I feel like this person is coming back towards you, but you are not in the state of like saying yes to them or reconnecting with them again, because you are feeling like, no, I don't want this. I don't want this to happen again with me. You hurted me in the past. Now I don't have the energy to reconnect and get myself hurt again. Let me clarify the Three of Swords. There will be arguments, very, very heavy arguments over love, over this connection, okay? Kind of separation. And you might feel like there is incompatibility and there is no love, or there is no soulful energy in this. But the energies are changing. I feel like this is not going to be forever, this heartbreak. Let me clarify the Three of Swords. Eight of Cups, the Moon, Three of Cups. Somebody is walking away because they are very, very fearful of this reconciliation. And then the other party is deeply depressed or sad. Kind of. Oh God. So, if the other person is coming to you and you are this energy, then you are breaking their heart. And if the other person is cutting you out, if I told you the roles can be reversed anytime. Might be you are the one who is missing them, who is feeling a soulful connection with them, who wants love from them, and now this person feels like, no, I can't give this relationship a second chance, or this connection a second chance. That's why this person is just walking away, because they are fearful that this connection is never going to work out. This reconciliation is never going to work out. So that's why there is kind of heartbreak and sadness till the end of September. I'm being very honest here. I'm really sorry. Take care of yourself, Sagittarius. I hope the energies are going to change soon, really soon. Okay, then we will see what is coming for you. So see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste. Bye.